video where I show you people my night routine, the things I use every night. So guys, today I'm not going anywhere. Like, I'm home today. I'm not going anywhere. I think today is a filming content for me, because I promised you guys that I will be dropping 2 videos every week, and I don't want to slack on that. So guys, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, please do well to subscribe, watch my videos, share and comment. My name is Uche Christian and I'm a full-time content creator. Welcome to my channel, Ifenkele. So guys, today I want to share with you how I was able to raise 1,000 subscribers in my other channel, which is this one you're seeing here. So guys, how did I do it? I started this channel with lots of fear. Like, when I started this channel, I was not aiming to achieve anything. Like, I did not even have any niche at hand. So there I was posting my lifestyle content, and at a point I understand that as an upcoming content creator, that nobody is interested in your lifestyle. So guys, you know what I did? I switched my content to skits, because I'm a filmmaker, I'm an actress. So I started my skits and I started posting my skits there. And guys, guess what? Each time I post my skits, I noticed that I'm getting followers, subscribers. Sometimes I'll get 10, 20, 30, 40. Then I keep growing like that. Then another way that I think, or I feel, that makes my channel to move to get to an extent where it is today is by posting stories, short stories. So whenever I post my short videos, sometimes my short videos do get like 100k, 200k views. Even I have a short video that hits 500k views, up to 1 million views. And I noticed that these shorts brings more subscribers. Like, whenever I post shorts, I'll wake up and see film. So guys, if you're trying to raise 1k subscribers, I think the right way for you to do it, because it's what that works for me. Remember, I told you guys that this channel, I'll be sharing every damn thing that works for me personally. That is what I'll be sharing. I am here for lifestyle. I am here to grow with you guys. I am here to share with you the things I know, or the things I think I have experienced. So guys, let me just do what I know. Like, what I know, that's what I'll be sharing with you. So guys, if you're trying to raise 1k subscribers, or if you're trying to, maybe if you're a new YouTuber and you've been struggling on how to raise 1,000 subscribers, guys, I think this thing I just said now will be a way for you, because it works for me. I did not add any tricks. I am so natural to hide anything for you people. So I think you have to try my own way. So this is what I do. I'm still working on my watch hour there. Once it's complete, I will still come back and tell you people how I got my 4,000 watch hour in that channel. And if I finally monetize it, I will still come back, and the only thing you have to do for me is to stay tuned. Keep commenting, keep liking and keep sharing. That's the only thing you have to do for me. Let's grow together. Like, I just need an upcoming content creators that is ready to grow. If you're ready to grow, me, I am ready. I need people that is ready to grow their channel, people that are ready to grow their outfit. Now let me tell you something. I have my next video where I will be sharing with you life of a single girl of 30 plus who is still single, and how I feel that people are seeing up. So if you know that you're 30 plus and you know that you feel that people are seeing you like you failed, or like things are not, that you're 30 plus, you cannot marry again, please, I'll be dropping my next video on my own personal experience and the things I think I am facing right now. So guys, I don't want to keep this video damn long. I think I'll be ending my videos here. See you guys in my next video. Bye.